Here I have INTEX Aqua Trend, and let me show you how to enter here the boot mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, keep holding power button, choose power off and tap OK to confirm it. Wait until your device will be completely switched off, and then let's use the following combination of keys, power key and volume up. Let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume up, keep holding both keys and release them as soon as boot mode pops up. Here you can navigate by using volume up and confirm options by pressing volume down. So let me choose here one of the following options. You can select here recovery, fastboot or normal. If you would like to quit the boot mode, let's use the normal. Press volume down to confirm it and the device is booting into a normal mode. Excellent, now you can unlock the screen and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.